Look at
Yeah,
this
those
thing.
are ready for the
That's a
whoopie
cooking
pie.
shot. You can get it with milk or with not milk.
Shut up. You put milk in there?
Chocolate milk, Grand Marnier, Bailey's, or room chocolate.
You can put alcohol in that.
I know. I'm tempted to get one right now.
Do it. Get it. Let's do this. Look at that first bake. It's happening. Guys, look it. The sign is lit.
Yes, it is.
Do you see it?
Yes, baby, we see it.
Do you see the lit sign?
Wait, what?
Telling us that Earl's is open.
I know. She was right. I know. Hungry mama.
Wow. You know what this means?
No regret.
This means that they're never going to build a hotel here ever.
Really?
At least not for a very
Canceled,
long time.
official.
I think the proper wording was indefinitely shelved,
That's canceled.
essentially. But it means to us they have things drawn up if they ever wanted to.
Right.
Right. Like,
Oh, look at that. Earl's sandwich is back.
so
But
they would drop something else instead of.
this is still crickets. And that's still just flies. Nothing happening over there.
AMC was already decided they're going to
Yeah, they're-
garden
that
walk,
ain't
so
coming back.
they're not going to go because they're in the process of moving.
new?
The menu?
Yeah.
No,
No.
there's a menu out here.
Menu was there before, yeah.
I mean, products.
I don't think there's any sandwich.
It's nothing new, right?
Oh, the menu? I don't think so. I think it's the same menu. Look, they got mac and cheese. I don't think I've ever had that. Indeed. Wait, are you Frankenstein right now? She's being Frankenstein.
Okay.
All right.
Ian just needs to go.
Okay. That's enough Frankenstein for a minute. Who knows? It's literally like it never left. Right? It was never gone.
Here's your algae.
I think I started rolling on that one. Ian has got himself an Italian, which is one of my favorites here.
And I always get
That's
with,
an Italian.
well,
Italian.
I always get it with the banana peppers.
Banana, well, yeah, definitely.
Didn't do that right.
What's an Italian?
She tried telling Ian they didn't have any.
Well, you got to give them the three names. It's either peppercini, banana peppers, or yellow peppers. One of those.
Oh, we have those.
Yes.
I mean, it seemed like she may have just been new in general.
She was,
Yeah,
yes.
She was
Well, she had a shadow. She had a shadow, so I'm pretty sure that's in training.
So,
What'd you get there,
The
Ben?
Montague.
Did you get the full Montague?
Yeah.
You, babe, you never get the full Montague.
Okay.
Thank you. And Sarah, what'd you get?
Push down on your thing.
Oh, is this where I get? Can we all? Okay, we don't get to show Sarah's sandwich.
we're trying to shim the table.
She got the
Chipotle chicken
Chipotle
avocado.
chicken.
Guys, I'm
Okay.
trying to eliminate my meat intake, okay?
I know, right?
Look at how delicious that is.
She got a Chipotle chicken, but there's
But there's more bacon in it, though.
no.
I know,
chicken.
she did offer more bacon, and I was like,
You
I
did
mean,
get more bacon, yeah.
You can't say no to bacon.
And this is the French dip.
Ooh, that
This is what I try this at every place if they have it. This does not look like I'm going to enjoy it like I like some of my other French dips. And there is my au jus, which I asked for a straw because I will just drink this. I got a spoon. Yeah, somebody help me out with that.
I don't want you to have your algae.
Look at that. Look at that. That's au jus. You know what that stands for?
Go.
It stands for of the juice. Oh. Dang, that was good. I just straight shot that.
Those are weird as
Oh.
shit. I mean, shiitake mushrooms.
We got some Miss Vicky's jalapeno chips.
Those are actually fire.
These
I
are for the
love
table.
Jalapeno kettle chips.
And we got some Mediterranean pasta salad. It's kind of like an affordable side. It's only $2.79. That's pretty good.
I mean, it's like half of a
If you need more,
that
if
much,
you need
I
more
don't know.
banana peppers, there's some in there. What's that?
We were both all, I mean, it's like half a cup of pasta salad.
Right, but that's all I want anyway.
Right. So yes, and that's
Normally at Disney they give you too much food
They do.
and then charge you $12 for it. That's true. I don't want all that food.
factual.
Yeah. All right, guys, let's eat at Earl's Sandwich that we haven't been to in. How long has it been since we've been to Earl's Sandwich? Oh God. She's taking an aerial
I'm
photo.
almost halfway through already.
I know,
so you
me
might
too.
want to pick up the pace.
Wow, they just left us.
I know, dude.
dust.
I know. You haven't started eating, right? No? No?
Look, man, it's been too long.
Man, half the sandwich is gone. I'm just gonna do make this like B-roll.
Time
Just
lapse.
watch time lapse Ian eat.
Well, now I'm under pressure, so I'm gonna slow.
That never stopped you before, so I've had the camera on you before, and you just put it back. Okay, I've watched you do it. You're a beast.
But I can't talk and eat at the same time.
You don't have to talk. I'm just gonna roll, Ian. We're just gonna roll. You don't have to say anything. Just sit back, man. Eat your sandwich. Well, guys, lunch at Earl's Sandwich is complete, and now I don't have to go back there for a while. Okay, so I'll give you my review first. I got the roast beef, the French dip. Didn't particularly like it. They try to get too creative with it. I don't like it when they get creative. I just want good au jus and roast beef and maybe some cheese. But they got all kinds of onions and stuff in there, and I was just like, that's not for me. How was your non-chicken sandwich?
So yummy.
Yeah, really? All right, Ian. Well, we know yours by the fact that it's not here anymore.
Yeah,
It's
I
gone.
love that Italian sandwich.
Yeah. It's good. It's really good. I get that often. And then Liz,
I loved it. It's my favorite sandwich now.
What did you get again?
The Montague.
oh, that's right, the full Montague.
Yeah, full Montague.
She got the full Montague.
Had all the meats in there and like that like mustard sauce. It was not just mustard, it was mustard sauce. It was
Right.
really, really good.
Mustard sauce. All right.
But no tomato because I don't like
Tomatoes are gross, okay? Tomatoes are ew. Tomatoes are more ew than an H. As promised, we're back at the Grand Californian to look at something really, really cool. It's kind of like what they do for Christmas with the gingerbread house, but for Halloween, they make something else.
Oh, it's so cute.
This is a Halloween pump cake patch. Look at that. That's a cake. You guys, that's a cake. It's a cake. Have you seen the cake? Look at the cake. Now, all of this, right? The whole thing?
Oh, I see one right there.
Is the whole thing a cake? Like the cake? Is that cake?
So I'm gonna say yes.
I feel like the first one's going to get
Here's, it doesn't say here,
But that might be like
but it's lots of powdered sugar, egg whites, rice cereal, marshmallow, butter, dark chocolate, white chocolate fondant. And the Oogie Boogie pumpkin is over 4 feet tall. It's all treat, it says. The pump cake patch is all treat. So even the whole patch and everything, all the pumpkins.
Good Lord.
I know, right? The tree, the bats. There's frickin' bats. Love Halloween. Sarah, you said you found a hidden Mickey?
See the pumpkin?
If
you look at it
do
from
I
the
see
right-
do I see the
The
pumpkin?
green pumpkin gourd.
Oh, okay.
If
The
you
whole
look
the
at
whole
it from
gourd
the
is
right
like
angle, there's two-ish in the back with one large in the front.
two-ish in the back. What are you talking about?
Oh, there's one up there. Look at
Okay, let's move away.
on the bricks, up towards the top, under the vine.
Oh, there it is. I'm like, there's bricks and vines everywhere, but
I know
there it
it's
is.
towards the top.
I found it. It won't focus. Sarah, say the words.
Focus.
Thank you. That did not help at all.
Focus.
Or maybe, oh, it's just out of focus. The hidden Mickey itself is not in focus. So there's supposed to be.
Focus. I need you
13
to
of them.
focus.
Oh, that's nice. Thank you.
Is that fresh baked ice
Oh my gosh, it is. Guys, we've also got Halloween treats next door, right next door, and it's a whole mess. Look at this thing.
That's our pumpkin patch.
Look at this tiny little cute mustache on this one.
Look at the what?
Hold on.
What's that?
The little cute mustache on this guy. Look at that. They're all different. They're all like unique, huh?
They're little Franken.
That's what they are. This one's a Frankenstein with a mustache.
He's a distinguished
He's
Franken.
very, yeah.
He's well established in life.
And we got some werewolf sickles. I don't know what those are. Those are.
Jumbo cake pop. You've had it.
I'm sorry?
Jumbo cake pop.
I'm trying to see it on here.
8 jumbo
Right at
cake
the
pop.
top.
Oh, there it goes. Okay, jumbo cake pop.
because I need a nice.
Look at
All
that.
right. Bye, guys.
Bye,
Daniel.
darling. Have a
Bye.
good day.
What a urn. Oh my gosh. Can we get the Frankenfingers?
Those are pumpkin pumpkin.
You want the
I'm
Frankenfingers?
assuming that's one of the shortbread cookies.
Look, it's got a fingernail on it that's a peanut, I think.
That's disgusting.
That's fantastic.
No, that's
I want
terrible.
to eat Frankenfingers peanut fingernail.
I want a cookie shot. That's what I want.
Here we go. Look at that.
Pumpkin pound cake.
Oh, that's the
Those are beautifully decorated.
They
I
sure
have
are.
to
These
say.
are better than anything you get inside the park, that's for sure.
Have a great day.
What is that? Oh my god, these are great.
Found it.
I love them. Look at
Yeah,
this
those
thing.
are ready for the
That's a
water
cookie shot. You can get it with milk or with not.
Shut up. You put milk in there?
Chocolate milk, Grand Marnier, Bailey's, or rum chocolate.
You can put alcohol in that.
I know. I'm tempted to get one right now.
Do it. Get it. Let's do this.
Which one do you think is better, the Bailey's or the rum shot?
We're gonna get it's a shot. Is it a cookie?
Yeah,
It's a cookie shot glass.
A Bailey's.
It's a freaking cookie shot glass.
Hey, how are you?
And it's actually shot glass and not a thumb.
Right.
Toothpick.
Oh,
Toothpick holder.
Can we also put toothpicks in these?
Yes.
Okay, all right. I just want to make sure. Okay, so yeah, there's more of the werewolf cake pops and the Frankenstein that's purple cake pop. I want to know what that is.
Meatloaf.
It looks.
Pumpkin pound cake.
It's pumpkin.
Oh,
Okay, that's pumpkin pound cake.
Samples over there.
Your wife tried it. You can ask her.
Yeah. Well, how was it? Oh,
The pound cake?
so Sarah, tell us what you got.
I had a
What-
cookie shot?
And they said that the best option would be the Bailey's.
Bailey's? I
So
agree. Oh.
I trust them fully.
What kind of cookie is it?
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip.
Chocolate chip?
Yeah.
Getting us a good
Ooh,
one.
look at
Oh,
she's
look
getting
at
a
that.
good one.
Look at that. Wow.
Ooh, I like your style, girl.
For
Oh,
real,
I like
there
your
goes.
style too.
Oh my god.
Oh.
We just took this visit to a whole nother level here.
So exciting!
The rocking chair and everything.
Wow. We're having a little shot of Bailey's from a cookie shot glass at the fire.
By the fire.
What's that?
I want to go to Italy.
I want to see you drink a Bailey's shot out of a cookie shot glass with.
Can I drink it?
No, not yet. We gotta.
We can actually call it a shot glass.
Me too. This is a shot glass.
This is something that I did not expect. This when we started this day today, I was not expecting to have a shot of Bailey's out of a cookie shot glass. It's just fantastic.
Once you said we were going to the Grand, I assumed you knew about this.
No, I had no idea. This is fantastic. Okay, go ahead.
Good?
Knock it back. Yeah.
Okay.
Nailed it. Okay, now eat the cookie because I want to know how that tastes.
I'm taking this bottom part. Don't judge me.
Is it like cookie dough or is it cookie?
No, it's cookie.
All right.
It looks like that's a thick cookie.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Uh-huh. Cookie! Oh, is there still Bailey's?
Oh, there's no Bailey's in here. Yeah, it's full on cookie. Anyone? Just go ahead. Yeah, anywhere.
Yep. See if you can slurp out any of the Bailey juice.
I gotta
left.
change the Bailey's.
It's just like regular
Can I
cookie
buy
dough.
this part too?
You can eat it all, baby.
Go for it.
Oh my god. I can smell the Bailey's.
Yeah, lick it.
Got
Woo!
Light hair's terrible also. And he's still trying to catch them all.
Gotta catch them all.
Pokemon.
Yeah, I got some on mine too. It's a cookie, right?
It's actually a little tougher than I was expecting.
Yeah. I thought it would be more.
Yeah, but you know what? I need it to
Doughy.
be sturdy.
No, I get
Sure.
why it is. It needs to be a cup and not a
Yep.
chunky.
Right.
I totally understand why it's just the way it is. I just wasn't expecting.
But I mean, how long do they think you're gonna wait to drink it? I mean, you're gonna drink it pretty quickly. It's not like you're gonna walk around with this cookie all
But
day.
so it's chocolate coated on the inside.
Oh, there you go.
Help.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You
Right
know,
Look
there.
at that. Oh, there's.
It's like that like those ice cream cones where you get the chocolate
Drumstick.
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 Yeah,
Right.
that's
because
always
if you
nice.
Think about it. If that wasn't chocolate coated, wouldn't you think the coffee would just, or the cookie would just soak up whatever?
Not immediately,
But
but it would, yes.
it would.
I don't know, I'm really happy though.
You enjoying this? What time do we have to have salt?
45 minutes.
About 45 minutes? Yeah. We have to go find a pretzel.
You saved the jalapeno chips. You could have.
Oh, I Guys, let's just go ahead and finish the scene here. We're chilling at the Grand Californian in front of a fire at Disneyland.
I'm living my best life.
For real though, does it get any better than this?
Nope.
Would you? Where else would you rather be, as I've often asked, than right here and right now?
I get why everybody likes to stay at the Disneyland hotel, but as far as I'm concerned, the Grand blows every hotel out of the
This
water.
place is great,
It's all about the Grand.
and we're not even staying here.
I don't even have a room.
Nope, but we can do this. We can do I got the light wrong, so you can just see she's like a silhouette to you guys, but she's got a face full of Bailey cookie.
I'm so thirsty. I need milk.
Well, they have an option. They have an option where you can get it with milk or.
Milk is $8. The alcohol is 13.
Wow.
They don't mess around with their.
Wow.
Oh, you want Bailey's? That'll be $5 extra.
There's
Thanks.
a reason they want a million bars in this place.
Yes.
Yeah.
Alcohol sells, and it's
Sure does. People don't seem to care how much alcohol costs, do
I
they?
certainly don't.
Yeah.
That's so true.
I do.
Poison apple was $16.75 or something like that.
Yeah. And there was hardly any alcohol in that. Yeah. This is great.
This is amazing.
This is great.
You want any more?
I got what I needed.
She got the Baileys.
Let's do the better part of it.
Right. She got the best part.
I got the best part.
I'm really happy right now.
I'd like to try the rum chata, but all those girls.
And that was the next thing.
swore
What's a
up
rum
and down.
chocolate?
Rum chata is yum.
But it supposedly tastes like horchata. I've never had it.
That's what I figured. Yeah, that makes sense.
But they were like, no, you want Bailey's.
Oh. All right. Yeah, if they say that, then.
Right, I
Yeah.
trust them. So.
Yeah. All right.
I don't think I can do it, guys.
Ian?
Please.
Throw me some chicken.
We've got lots more videos for you to see, so grab a churro and check out some of our other videos and have your mind blown by how much fun we're having. We truly are the best of Disney Bake Fresh Daily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Fresh Baked!